Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. So the first thing you're supposed to do is to have these bandika braids. I have a tutorial on how to make the braids. Just in case you're interested, just check the description box down below. And then these ones are for 2 wigs. So the cap that I'm going to use on this video is a full lace, but you really don't have to use a full lace. You can use a frontal cap. That is if you want to add baby hair. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to pin the braids on the cap. If you have watched my previous tutorial videos, it's just the same process. Pin the braids on the cap and then sew them. As you've seen from the intro, the style that I'm going to create. So if you really want to just create your own style, you're going to make the bandika braids and then pin them on the cap, whichever style that you want, and then sew them. So basically I'm just going to pin the braids on the cap and then sew them. Just comment down below if you learned something from this video. You can pin all the braids down and then sew them, or pin some few pieces as you sew. And I always prefer or advise to first of all sew the braids together before you sew them on the cap. So I just decided to first of all pin one side down and then sew the braids together so that I don't miss a piece out, and then sew them on the cap. I decided to use this straight needle because I felt like it was faster, and then also because the needle is long. So I'm first of all just sewing the braids together, because after when I do this, it's going to make it easier for me to sew the braids on the cap. So for this back part, I call it keka or basket. So this is how you're going to do it. Just like this, you can pick two braids or 3 or 4, whichever that you prefer. So once you've done this, just make sure you sew them together. Again, make sure you sew on every braid so that you know they don't lift. I have different styles with this design. I'll just put some photos here, so comment down below guys if you've learned something from this video or if you find it interesting. So I decided to use this canvas block because I was making it for a client who has a bigger head, but there's a video that I shared with you for a client who had a very small head and I used a different dummy. So also let me say, if you're making it for your client, make sure you know your client's head so that you know which dummy to use. Once you cross them, this is how it will look at the back, and then you're going to sew the braids together. I made this for a client who has a smaller head, and as you can see, I used a different dummy. It was size 21.5, which is for a small head. For the baby hair, I just cut some pieces at the end and then I crochet them on the hairline. So that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this tutorial. If you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.